My channel, this is Miss V here today. Today I am doing a requested video. I was requested by my girls H to do a video on couponing at CVS, and that's great because I was going to start back doing coupon videos anyway. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Miss V, and I am on the debt-free journey, and in being on that debt-free journey, I started back couponing, and I'm rebuilding my stockpile. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to coupon at CVS. CVS is one of the better drugstores to coupon at because they're very coupon friendly. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. First off, if you're going to coupon at CVS, please apply for their reward cards where you will be able to get the items on sale. It'll say with card, this is the price with the card. So that's the card they're talking about. Number one, I got everything wrote down. Second thing is, once you sign up for the reward card, even if you don't have your card, you can use your phone number to get your discounts. And the second thing is, you'll every week or however often you go to CVS, you'll go to this red kiosk in the front of the store and put your number in, and it'll give you coupons every week. And they usually give you coupons according to what you normally buy. And the third thing is, sign up for the beauty club. Every time you spend up to $30 or more on cosmetics or any beauty related items, you'll get an extra $3 extra care book. And what an extra care book is actually money, just money that they give you to use on your next visit. This is an extra care book, just an example, but I'll go over this later. Okay, and the next thing is, if you get your prescriptions from CVS, they have a pharmacy reward program also. I don't know much about that one, and so sign up for that one. I think you get like $10 for signing up or something like that, but inquire about it at CVS. And the fifth thing I want you to do is download the CVS app. The beauty in downloading the CVS app, you don't have to worry about going to get the sale paper. You can look at their weekly sale every week on your phone. And plus, you can clip digital coupons that go straight to your card. And also, those coupons that are in that red kiosk, they're on the app too. And if you're not someone who wants to walk around with a bunch of paper coupons, you can just clip them to your card. So that's the homework. That's the main thing you do for couponing at CVS. Okay. According to CVS policy, you can use a manufactured coupon, which is your digital coupons that you clip to your card, the coupons that you get out of the newspaper, or either your coupons you get offline. Those are what's called manufactured coupons. Coupons that come from the manufacturer like Procter & Gamble and people like that. You also can use a CVS coupon on an item also. So each item when you purchase an item at CVS, you can always use two coupons, a manufactured coupon, either way, whether it's a digital, off the computer, or from the newspaper. Those are the three ways, but you can only use one of those. If you clip it digital, you can't use the one out the newspaper. So that's just one. And then the second one, you can use a CVS coupon. See how they say it's CVS at the top? $2.50 off Head and Shoulders. So if I have a manufactured coupon that says $2 off Head and Shoulders, I can use that and my CVS coupon. So I can get $4.50 off one Head and Shoulders. Okay? So remember that. 2 coupons per product. Okay, we got that. So when you get ready to coupon it, the easiest way to coupon at CVS is don't try to just go and buy a bunch of stuff. Think about what you need. So I went through here and circled items that I need and that I knew I had a manufactured coupon or a CVS coupon for. So I went through here and I circled the Lucky Charms because I know I want some Lucky Charms. Okay, I circled that. Then I went through here and circled OxiClean. I like OxiClean. Remember, I'm rebuilding my stockpile, so I see that that's on sale. And they also help you. They do a lot of the work for you. It's letting you know that there's a $2 coupon. You see that $2 in those scissors, that's letting you know that there's a $2 coupon in the Sunday paper. Okay. And then I also went on here and saw that they had razors, when you buy any two Schick razors, you get an $8 extra care bucks. I didn't buy the razors just to get the $8 care bucks. I bought the razors because these are the type razors I use, and I wait till they're on sale because they're so expensive. I like the Intuition Schick razor, so I did that, and I knew I had a coupon manufacturer coupon that I got out of this newspaper that said if you buy a refill, you get the razor free, and so I utilized that also. So that's what you do. So you go through here and see what you want. Okay, look and see if you have any manufacturer coupons to go with it, and then go through your CVS coupons, see if you have any CVS coupons to go with it. So that'll be 2 coupons. But if you just have one, that's fine. And another thing to do is I do not buy the newspaper anymore. I used to when I first started couponing, but I thought about it. All the money you spend on all those papers, you really not saving any money because you're paying $1.50, $1.75 for the paper, and then you go to the store and save 50 cents. That didn't make sense to me. So what I started doing is people that I knew did not use coupons, but they got the newspaper, I asked them could they give me their coupons. So I got 2 co-workers that give me their coupons out of their newspaper every week. And what I do in turn, if I know that the person who gives me the coupon like Frosted, like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, when I see them on sale, I'll buy extra ones and just give it to them as a token of my appreciation for them giving me the coupons, because they could throw the coupons in the garbage. So that's just one little thing I do. I don't pay any money. I don't buy coupons anymore. I used to do the little clipping service and order. Like I told my sister, that don't even make sense. You spend money to get coupons to save money. That don't make sense. Spend money to get the coupon to save money. That didn't make sense to me. So I stopped doing it. That was for me. Okay. So we did all that. Okay. So you saw my transactions in the store. Okay. So another perk of having a reward card, also CVS will send you, if they see that I like Maybelline, they keeping up with what products you buy according to your phone number. So they know I like Maybelline. So every now and then they'll send me a coupon for Maybelline. And every now and then they'll send me a coupon for 20% off my entire purchase. So in other words, they just pretty much just rewarding you for being a reward card holder. So you get coupons in the mail, you get coupons out the machine, and you can clip the coupons to your app. I know that's a lot, so best thing to do with CVS is the main thing is get the reward card and just double the CVS coupons with the manufacturer coupons. Start out with it. Okay, so that's what I did. So you saw in the store, remember the Lucky Charms was $1.99. Got the Lucky Charms, 10.5 ounce box. Remember I had the $1 off coupon, so that made it 99 cents. That's before my other coupons. Okay, remember? So that was just one manufacturer coupon I had for that one. Okay. Remember the OxiClean, it was $3.99. I had $2 off, so it was $1.99. So I just had one manufacturer coupon for those 2. So you see, I still can use a CVS coupon on these because I only had manufacturer coupon for those 2. Okay. Then you saw in the video, I know that these are expensive, very expensive. That's why I wait. You wait and use your coupons when the item is on sale. So the refill was $16.99. So I bought the refill for $16.99. Then I got the razor free. It was $13.99. But the coupon said it would give it to me free up to $12.29. So that's why you saw in the video they only took off $12.29. So I still had like $1 and something left over for that. But that's fine. Okay, so $16.99 and $1.70 for these 2. So about $19. Okay. So okay, I insert a picture. Okay, I knew I had the $4. Remember I had a buy one refill, get a razor free. Okay, I had that coupon. Then I had the $2 coupons for the OxiClean. I had one that I clipped to my card and one that I got at the newspaper. So that's 3. Then I had the 4th coupon, number 4, for the Lucky Charm. So those are 4 manufacturer coupons I had. So I still can use 4 more CVS coupons if I had something to go with these items. So the 4 coupons I used were $4 off 20. That's a CVS coupon. I had a 20% off that they sent me in the mail. That's the second one. Then I had $5 extra care books that I used, that I received from a previous transaction, but the extra care books don't count as a coupon. So you can use, let me go back. You can use a manufacturer coupon, CVS coupon, and your extra care books, because your extra care books is just your money that you receive from other purchases. So I had that $5. They took the 20% off. And then that was it. So what I had was 4 manufacturer coupons, $4 off 20, and the 20%. So I had 6 coupons plus my extra care book. So I should have 7 things on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. Well, I actually have 8 where they took the $12.29 off for their razor. That don't count as, well, that does count as a coupon. So that's what we got right here. So that's how I end up paying $11.91. So they also had a deal where if you buy 2 Schick razors, you get $8 in extra care books. So even though I had a coupon for buy one get one free, I still purchased 2. I purchased them. The fact that I was Schick razors on your receipt. So I got $8 for that. And then remember I told you I've been buying a lot of Maybelline makeup, and they gave me $5 extra care books. See, bonus. Sometimes they'll give you a bonus, they'll give you $5. So I must have went over the 30. They used to do, when you get up to $50, they give you $5, but then they drop down to $30, they give you $3. But they gave me an extra $2 because I've been buying a lot of makeup. Okay, so that's that. And then these are just coupons that that the machine just gives you according to how you shop. See, I usually buy my Garnier products there and different stuff. So those are just coupons, other coupons that I didn't clip to my card. So I like the way CVS receipt breaks it down. You see the Lucky Charms. Everything I got circled is actually what I actually paid, and then it tells you the original price and your savings, and then it takes some of your coupon off. So the Lucky Charms, I paid 58 cents for it. I went from $1.99 to 58 cents. The OxiClean, each one of those was $3.99, $2 off, $1.99, and then so I actually paid $1.12 for the OxiClean. And I don't know how I did this razor, but in actuality, I actually paid $1.58 for the refills. Remember, the refill was $16.99. I don't know how that computer calculated that. And then it's saying I paid $4.69 for the razor, which was supposed to be free. But the way it did it, I still didn't pay the $4.69 and $1.58. That still was good. That's almost $6 for both of them. Remember, I thought I was going to have to pay more than that. But see, what it did was it probably took the 20% off one of those razors. $1.57. So I don't know which one it took it off. But anyway, that's the best way to coupon at CVS. I know there was a lot, so just start out slow. Just go through the paper and see what you need, and see if you can find some manufacturer coupons to match what you need and a CVS coupon. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. My channel is, I'm going to change up my content some. I'm mostly going to be doing what I said. My channel is fun, inspirational, and budget friendly. My budget friendly is mostly going to be my debt free journey and couponing and any type of way to save money. And my fun is going to be my weekly game that I'm going to play on live. For the month of March, we're doing Family Feud. So if you missed Family Feud last Saturday, I'm going to be doing it every other Saturday and every other Friday. So this week I'm going to be doing it Friday. I think it's going to be at 8 o'clock, but I'll put out a video telling you the time, the exact time. I'm not for sure because my granddaughter has a softball game I have to go to. And my inspiration, I'm going to continue to do my Bible study series, even though I'm not getting a lot of views, but the few views that I'm getting, they saying they're being encouraged, so I'm going to keep doing that. So that's what I'm going to basically focus my videos on, saving money, any kind of way to save money, have fun, and be inspired. That's what we're going to do here on this channel. I'm still going to do some of the challenges, but not a lot of them. But anyway, that's it. So this is Miss V saving money and rebuilding her stockpile. If you have any questions, and let me know in the comment section. If you do a coupon trip at CVS, and let me know also, and let me know how much you save. So this Miss V, I'm continue to show you love and encourage you, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.